Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a Python trainer. These are student Saagar. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Hello sir. I joined, my name is Saagar and I am from NMIT College, and I am from the ECE background, and I just shifted from core to IT, and I chose Rajajinagar PySpiders to continue my journey towards IT, and I chose Python testing, and I joined in the month of February 2025, and so Python was taken. I was undergoing training in Python by Keshav sir, and manual testing under Niranjan sir, Pradeep sir, and SQL. I have completed SQL under Murli sir and Avinash sir.
Okay. I wish him all the best for the career.